Welcome to the Explainer. Let's break down game development's very powerful component system.
So, ever wonder how a single character tracks hundreds of stats and effects all at once?
Well, it all comes down to a single point of contact, and that's the component system.
At its heart is this one component. It's the single point of contact for any actor.
Okay, check out these design decisions. The most important one, the component itself never ticks.
So its main job is to hold an actor's core stats. We just call them attributes.
And these attributes stand on three key pillars, which is what makes them so incredibly flexible.
Now, on top of those core attributes, you've got dynamic changes, or as we call them, modifiers.
These are designed really smartly. They're non-destructive, easy to manage, and totally network-friendly.
The formula is pretty straightforward. Your max value is just the base plus all the active modifiers.
The component also keeps tabs on every single effect, literally who did what to whom.
This lets you run some really powerful tag-based queries to check an actor's state anytime.
And for even crazier logic, we have interceptors. They can watch and even block events.
They operate in 3 different scopes, which allows for some super specific targeted logic.
Now this is huge. The whole system is server authoritative. Clients just get to watch.
You can see the split here pretty clearly. Only the server actually gets to change things.
So, how do clients see this stuff? Through a system that only sends the exact data that changed.
And this brings us to the biggest design choice. The component holds data, but logic lives elsewhere.
That elsewhere is the world subsystem. Remember the component itself? It never, ever ticks.
And that's the whole point. It makes the component a super lean, predictable state machine.
So that leaves us with one big question. How does this actually change the way we build games?